everybody, it's Doll Target. And I'm looking at Chunk, sorry. So we have a snow day. Not that it's like a day without work, because it's a Saturday. But I'm gonna consider it a snow day, which means we get to drink a lot and play video games. So, in case the power goes out, I decided it was probably a good idea to make some food because I don't want to eat cold soup. So, I'm gonna make some stuff in the crock pot. Thanks, Mom. If you watch this, you probably won't. But if you do, thank you. I'm gonna make some chicken. Some chicken. So for chicken, what I'm doing is I'm taking that chicken and this stuff, putting that stuff in that bowl, then putting stuff in the bowl and the chicken. Oh, and this thing over here too, because I forgot, because I'm a failure. And then putting all that stuff in the crock pot. I'll show you what it looks like once it's in the crock pot, because everything else doesn't make any sense to show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the bowl. It looks kind of gross, but I promise it smells good. And then we're gonna put on chicken. And let's see what that looks like. I have like 2 extra chicken thighs in here. It doesn't look like it really matters. Just want to get everything coated. Ooh. It actually looks better than the first time I made it. Perfect. So now we get to put the top on. Hum, hum, hum. I want to put the top on. Thank you. And we'll see it in 6 hours. And 6 hours later, look how good it looks. It looks like a bunch of...
It smells really good.
It does smell really good. It's like there's falling apart in here, which it wasn't before. So this 6 hour thing as opposed to the 2 hour is definitely what's up. It's like how a Crockpot works. You're right. How foolish of me. Yeah, I'm digging this. Can't wait to put it in the bowl with the rice. Hum, 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 hum. And this is what dinner looks like in the bowls with the rice. It looks a lot better than last time. The chicken's a lot darker, and I'm really excited to give this a go. I'm gonna try to find out a way to make it a little bit less greasy, but hopefully it'll be less salty than the recipe originally says, because we use some low sodium soy sauce. You're lame. Still the gluten-free one I could find. So this is a random vlog that we decided to make when I was apparently drunk today. So it took 6 hours, you're welcome. And we're gonna reap the benefits now. So let me know if you want to see me cook random shit more. And that's all I can say. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!